Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to me. I'm Muhammad Faiz Tarfazani and I'm major in FRC, and here I will wait.
Oi. Apa? Mana? Suka.
I will explain about the admin LTE, and this is a localhost PAP my admin, and this is a database of admin LTE, and this is the table is register, and this is a website for admin LTE. This is an index, and this is a table of register, and this is a register admin LTE. Right, first in the register admin LTE you can add a object. Example, and you can in price, and you can in the stock, and submit. Sorry, my action is error. Okay, we start again the page and MySQL, and you can search. Okay, you can see this in register table, of course. You can see that, and you can delete, of course, and you need edit in this. Okay, thank you very much for your watching my task of admin LTE. Thank you very much. See you again in my video. Thank you very much, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.